smoking spoke vegetarian chili right now. That's pretty tasty.
I've only tried the number 5.
3 so far is my favorite.
Thinking number 12, the beef and Thai chili.
Yeah? What is it about it? What do you like in a good hearty chili yourself?
I made it.
All rise.
Best taste goes to number 9.
All right, Jimmy, congratulations.
Next one, most creative. Only because I've never had venison before. So it went to number 1. The hottest one, the one that's going to make you go later, is definitely number 7. So, great job.